We are going to continue with question number 14 from the exercise 6.3. Question given is like this. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. In this triangle, sides AB and AC and median AD. Median means it is the midpoint of BC. They are respectively proportional to side AB, then AC and AD. These three are respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and median PM of the PQR triangle. So they are proportional means AB by PQ. Always remember, if it is given as proportional, you need to write like this: AC by PR respectively means in the same order, and AD by PM. So this is the given information, respectively proportional to the sides PQ, PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. So they are in the same proportion. Okay, their proportion is same. They are in the equal ratio. So with this information, it is asked to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. ये हमें शो करना है. In other words, we have to prove this one by using this information. By using only this information, we need to show ABC is similar to PQR. In the previous questions, if you see, there was a question number 12, which looks almost like this only. In that question, AB and BC, PQ and QR, those were the sides given proportional, and we try to find out B and Q equal. AB BC के बीच का एंगल B, PQ QR के बीच का एंगल Q, इन दोनों को इक्वल करके फिर हम SAS प्रॉपर्टी यूज करके, SAS क्राइटेरियन, इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को सिमिलर करके प्रूफ किया था. बट यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं, इसमें कुछ चेंज किया है. AB AC दिया है, PQ PR दिया है, जिसका मतलब हमें AB AC PQ PR के बीच के जो एंगल्स है, द एंगल्स which are included between these sides, this angle A and P, इन दोनों एंगल्स को हमें इक्वल शो करना रहेगा. So when we show that angle A is equal to P and AB AC are in proportion with PQ and PR, so we can again use SAS criterion. So for the sake of proving angle A is equal to P, what we are going to do here is we are going to do some extra construction. I was not supposed to write here. Okay, I'll draw these figures again, and we will have to do some construction like this. Here we will draw AD को हम extend करेंगे, जितना AD का लेंथ है उतना ही लेंथ को हम यहाँ पर extend करते हैं. Okay, I'll draw it here. Let us see if it is possible. We'll do some construction here. जितना लेंथ का AC AD है उतना ही लेंथ का हम यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करते हैं. How much is this? 1, 2, 3. It's around 3.5 centimeters. I'm drawing here 3.5 centimeters of line segment. I'm extending it to 3.5 centimeters. 1, 2, 3. So I have extended it till here. Okay, and then join these two. Join B. Join with B and C. This is construction. And here also do the same with for this. Here PM I have taken as it is also 3.5 only, so I'm extending it to 3.5. 1, 2, 3 and 0.5, and join it with the other two sides, other two vertex points. Okay, so here AD ABCD, and I'm taking this value as E, ABCDE, and this one I'm taking as PQR ML. So this is the construction. What is the construction we have done? Construction में जो हम लिया है वो मायने रखता है. Here A construction, extend AD and PM to E एंड एल, मीन्स AD को E तक एक्सटेंड करना है एंड PM को L तक एक्सटेंड करना है, सच दैट कैसे, AD इज इक्वल टू DE, AD और DE इक्वल होना चाहिए एंड PM is equal to ML. This is the condition. This is the first condition. And then after this, join BE, EC, then QL and RL. So इन सबको हमने join किया है. So here we have got ABC and PQ were the actual triangles. Extend करने के बाद BEC QLR extra triangle form हुआ है. So what we are going to do now is we are going to consider these triangles ABE and PQL. First step में ABE and PQL को consider करेंगे, इन दोनों को similar proof करेंगे. Same AEC PLR triangles को consider करेंगे, इन दोनों को भी similar proof करेंगे. तो दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को जब हम इन दोनों को यानी कि ABE PQL को सिमिलर प्रूफ करेंगे, क्या होगा, करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे. दैट मीन्स दिस मच पोर्शन, ओनली दिस मच पोर्शन विल बी इक्वल टू हियर इन दिस QPM. देन AEC PLR, इन दोनों राइट साइड ट्राइंगल्स को भी हम सिमिलर प्रूफ करेंगे. सो करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स, दिस पोर्शन, सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द एंगल A and second part of the angle P will be equal. So first two triangles को जब हम equal proof करते हैं, उनमें वहाँ पर जो angles equal आते हैं उनको equation 1 बना देते हैं. second two triangles में जो angles equal आते हैं उनको equation 2 बना देते हैं and we will add both equation 1 and 2. That's how we will get angle A is equal to P. So that procedure will do now here. Before that, see here BE and AC, उससे पहले भी यहाँ पे AD is equal to DE, D is midpoint, so BD is also equal to DC, right? BD is also equal to DC. That means if two diagonals are intersecting and bisecting, then it is a parallelogram. In a quadrilateral, if in a quadrilateral or in a quadrilateral, if two diagonals, of course there will be two diagonals only, if two diagonals bisect each other, यदि दोनों एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, then it is a parallelogram. Okay, then it is a parallelogram. So here ABEC is a parallelogram, PQLR is also a parallelogram, because since we will write that statement here, since AD is equal to DE and BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC, that was given, but AD is equal to DE, it was construction, it was by construction, हमने उतना ही लेंथ को लेकर construct किया है. So since AD is equal to DE and BD is equal to DC, that means they are equal parts. BD is equal to DC means that is bisected, AD is equal to DE means that is also bisected. So therefore AB, in this diagram, ABEC is a parallelogram. पहले हमने उसको पैरेललोग्राम प्रूफ किया है. पैरेललोग्राम क्यों प्रूफ किया अभी आगे समझ में आएगा. सिमिलरली फॉर द सेकंड ट्राइंगल, सिमिलरली PQ, इसमें भी PQLR, यहाँ पर भी QM is equal to MR, PM is equal to ML. So PQLR is a parallelogram. This is also a parallelogram. This is short form of writing parallelogram. Okay, so we have got these two quadrilaterals are as parallelograms. If they are parallelograms, then opposite sides will be equal. BE will be equal to AC. BE will be equal to AC and AB will be equal to EC. Therefore, BE is equal to AC and AB is equal to EC. Opposite sides are equal. Similarly, PQ is equal to, for the second, PQ is equal to RL, QL is equal to PR. PQ is equal to RL and QL is equal to PR. These are the opposite sides of the both quadrilaterals. Now, in the next step, what we are going to do is, we will take up that statement which is given. What was the statement given in the beginning? This statement, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. We will take up that statement. It was given, or it is given, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. This is what given. अब इसी को हम मॉडिफाई करेंगे so that we may get the answer. AB by PQ will be as it is, and then AC, यहाँ पर AC और BE को, AC और PR को हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. कैसे? Because AC is equal to BE, इसको हमने पैरेललोग्राम प्रूफ किया तो AC BE के साथ इक्वल होगा और PR QL के साथ इक्वल होगा. So I'll replace this as AB by PQ is equal to AC को क्या कर रहे हैं? Replacing with BE because they are opposite sides and equal. AC is replaced by BE, and then what about PR? PR will be replaced by QL. Then AD by PM. I'm going to multiply both with 2. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को इसमें AD by PM. क्यों करना है 2 से? क्योंकि AD को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वो डबल हो जाएगा, यानी कि A ही हो जाएगा. हमें ये ट्राइंगल AB ट्राइंगल कंसिडर करना है, इसलिए AD को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो डबल हो जाएगा. AD डबल होना मतलब एक फुल डायगोनल हो जाना, बिकॉज दे आर बाइसेक्टेड एलिमेंट्स. नाउ इट इज AB by PQ is equal to BE by QL. All these ratios are equal. 2AD means AD को 2 टाइम्स ऐड करना. AD को 2 टाइम्स ऐड करेंगे तो AD प्लस AD वो A ही हो जाता है, बिकॉज AD एंड DE सेम. So 2AD can be written as AE, and then 2 next PM plus ML or PM into PM plus PM. 2PM is equal to PL. This becomes PL. Now look at this. If you consider a triangle ABE and PQL triangles में AB is corresponding with in proportion with AB is in proportion with PQ. Then AE is in proportion with PL. AE is in proportion with PL and BE is in proportion with QL. So all 3 sides of, here we'll write in triangle ABE. I told you in the beginning, we will take this triangle and this combination will prove that they are similar. Then ये angle हमारे लिए equal हो जाएगा. So ABE and triangle PQL, we have AB by PQ is equal to BE by QL is equal to AE by PL. So therefore all three sides of the triangles, these two triangles, are in the same ratio. So what we can write? We can write that therefore triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQL according to triple S criterion. So we have proved that these two triangles are the left side triangles of the both quadrilaterals are similar, and similarly, well, the procedure is same. If you take up these two triangles ACE PRL, इसमें भी AC by PR they are in proportion, and then AB की जगह पे हम C लिखेंगे, तो ये ऊपर वाला जो स्टेटमेंट है इसी स्टेटमेंट को AC by PR हम ले सकते हैं, it's already there, and then in place of AB by PQ, AB will take EC, okay, and then in place of AD by PM, again that comes as AE by PL. So similarly these two triangles AEC, उससे पहले यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स यदि इक्वल हैं तो हमें लिखना रहेगा BAD is equal to QPM, ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे. सो देयरफॉर एंगल BAD is equal to angle QPM. Okay, this is equation 1, right? This is equation 1. यहाँ पर ये लिखने के बाद right. Now similarly we'll write, similarly we can prove that triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRL. ये दोनों भी सिमिलर होंगे, सेम प्रोसीजर. देयरफॉर इसमें भी क्या होगा, ट्रायंगल CAD और DAC यू कैन राइट, एंगल DAC जब ये दोनों सिमिलर होंगे, एंगल DAC विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल MPR और you can write RPM. This is equation 2. Now add equations 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. इन दोनों को ऐड करने पर क्या स्टेटमेंट आएगा, लेफ्ट साइड वैल्यूज विल बी एडेड ऑन लेफ्ट साइड, राइट साइड वैल्यूज विल बी एडेड ऑन राइट साइड. सो BAD, दिस एंगल BAD प्लस DAC will be is equal to QPM plus RPM, right? Now compare with this figure. What is BAD here? BAD, angle at A, plus DAC, that means sum of these two angles is equal to QPM angle at this point plus RPM, this portion. So we are adding equals to the equals. If equals are added to equals, then wholes are equal. That is what an axiom says, which we studied in class 9th, right? So equals are added to equals, then equals are added to equals, then wholes are also equal. So therefore ये BAD plus DAC ये टोटल ये क्या होगा, ये BAC एंगल होगा. This will be BAC. Therefore this is BAC is equal to QPR. So in both the triangles ABC and QPR, now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what do we have? इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स में जो दिया है ऑलरेडी, AB by PQ रेशियो, AB by PQ ratio is equal to AC by PR ratio. That is given in the question. AC by PR ratio. That means in both the triangles we have two pair of sides which are in proportion, and we have one angle is equal, that is angle A is equal to P. एंगल ए इज इक्वल टू पी, जिसको हमने अभी प्रूफ किया है, अभी जस्ट यहाँ पर जो प्रूफ किया है, बी ए सी क्यू पी आर मीन्स एंगल ए एंड पी आर इक्वल. सो देयरफॉर ट्रायंगल ए बी सी is similar to triangle PQR by which criterion? SAS criterion. So it's a little lengthy question. It took around 20 minutes time because so much is there. Step by step answer has to be written. For the sake of explanation, I have taken little time. Otherwise, once you understand, it may take 2-3 times to understand for you. So watch it again if you did not understand, but very very important. If you can understand this question, definitely you will understand many other questions, because it is little what to say, complicated, not complicated, complex type of question. So I hope you you will understand it. Watch it once or twice at least, then it will be clear to you. So that's it for today. We'll meet again tomorrow. Bye and goodbye.